In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Tremble by Mosaic MSC with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video we're taking a look at the song Tremble by Mosaic MSC. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro and verse 1 of the song. We're going to play the same chords for both parts. I want to show you the chords and then I'll play it in context. So we're going to be playing an E minor like this, to a C, to a G, up to the D. So those are our chords for the intro and verse 1. It sounds like this. Peace, bring it all to peace. The storm surrounding me, let it break. At your name, still call the sea to still, the rage in me to still every wave. At your name. Into the chorus. Here we are in the chorus. I want to show you the chords first, and then there's a little embellishment that I'll show you as well. So the chords for the chorus are this. We're going to play a C, which is kind of like a C major 7, to an E minor, up to the D. Now what I want to show you is there's this little lead line. We're going to play this later in the song as well. In the original recording, it's on an electric. You can hear it. It's like... So we're going to add that whenever we play the C chord. The tab for what that looks like is right here. So we'll play it like this. Play that again slowly. So we're doing this little hammer on the second fret of the D string and then plucking the B string back to the full chord. So in context with that riff, it sounds like this. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Into verse 2. Here we are in verse 2, and this is where it kind of gets a little bit more rhythmic. So we're going to switch to palm muting, and the chords that we're going to play are an E minor like this, to a C, to a G, and then up to a B minor like this. Altogether, that sounds like this. Breathe, call these bones to live, call these lungs to sing once again. I will praise. Into the chorus. Here we are in chorus number 2, and we're going to repeat the chorus twice here. The first time we aren't going to play that lead line that I showed you in the first chorus, so we're just playing these chords here. To an E minor, to a D. Sometimes I throw this C in as well. So that's going to be the first time through the chorus, and then the second time we play it, we are going to add that lead line, and we'll just be playing it like we played before. And then at the end of this chorus, I want to show you a little lead part headed into the bridge. So this is like the last line of the chorus. It'll be, Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. So for that, we're playing an E minor and a D, and we're just going to play it like this. Here's the tab right here. And then that's going to lead nicely into the bridge. So all that being said, I'm going to play the second time through chorus number 2. It sounds like this. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, your name. Into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and the key here is to build intensity throughout, but we don't want to hit the peak yet, because whenever we go to the chorus, that's when we're going to hit the peak. So this is how it sounds. The chords will be right here as usual. Your name is a light that the shadows can't deny. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is alive and forever lifted high. Your name cannot be overcome. Into the loud chorus. Here we are in a loud chorus, and we're going to be playing that lead line. I'm not going to show it to you again, because the only thing we're doing differently is we're adding the 3rd fret on the E string here for the C chord. We're going to play that, C, and then we're going to go to a G this time instead of the E minor, and then we're going to go to like a D over F sharp. So chorus number 2 coming out of the bridge sounds like this. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. And then here's the instrumental. We're just hanging on this C, kind of picking through it into a quiet bridge. Here we are in the bridge. We're going to repeat the bridge twice here, and the first time is going to be really quiet, and then we're going to pause, and then we're going to hit it just like we hit that first bridge. So the chords will be right here, and this is what it sounds like. Your name is a light that the shadows can't deny. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is alive and forever lifted high. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is the light that the shadows can't deny. Your name cannot be overcome. Your name is alive and forever lifted high. Your name cannot be overcome. Into another loud chorus, which is just like the last loud chorus that I showed you. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, you get the idea. Let's move into the final quiet chorus. Here we are in the final quiet chorus, and we're gonna kind of slowly back off on the chords here. You could just go to these chords, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, but I kind of like to like slow down. Like, you just don't come to a complete stop, you just kind of ease into the slowness or the quietness. So this final chorus sounds like this. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus, you silence fear. Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. And on C, Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Tremble by Mosaic Music with just you and an acoustic guitar. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. If you don't know what I do, I post worship leading tips every single day on YouTube, on Instagram, and Facebook. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook yet, go follow me at Leading Worship Well. I'd love to connect with you there. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below on YouTube right now so that you don't miss out on future worship leading videos. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.